Hello Gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder. I have $60 in prop money and some saving challenges that help me save for different categories for my family. And a little bit about my family. We are a family of 4. It's me, my husband, and 2 kids, 17 and 19. And we are saving for some fun adventures, things for the house, emergency funds. I have saving challenges for each one of us, and for a rainy day. I just found it kind of important to have a sinking fund for those categories, for just because ever come up, or anything that we may need. We have just a little something in our sinking funds. First, we are going to get started with our adventures. And I got this from the Mint Dough, and I was rolling a D12, but I'm gonna roll a D20. I'm gonna get a little spicy icy. This says $1,200, and I still got a 5. Oh dear. Oh, that is too funny. So I am just gonna do this 5 right here. I want to do it one more time. Let me put that 5. And let's switch to a D12. So let's do a D12 this time. And I got a 10. Okay, $15. I can do that. See, do I got a 10? Oh, there's no 10 on here. Let me see. 8, 9, 10. We can do 8 and 2. Like I said, we got, ooh, almost did the wrong one. We are planning a fun adventure for 2026 because my son graduates from high school. And as a graduation gift, he wants to go on a nice vacation. So that is $15. And then on top of that, he is leaving for Space Force next August. So that's when he goes for his boot camp. So we just want to get a nice little relaxing vacation in before he leaves off to boot camp. All right, so we have this one. This saving challenge created by Budget with Carly. This is saving for my daughter's sinking fund. This says $50. Take what you need. Okay. And pass it on. Let's go here. $6. And my daughter, she's in nursing school, so she's in college. So this little sinking fund is just for anything that she may need or want. And then we have my son. Like I said, he's a senior in high school. This is created by Budget with Carly. Should I roll or scratch? Let's roll. Oh, let's scratch. Let's go here. Oh, $6. $6. So 5 and 6. All right. And this is a saving challenge, saving for my sinking fund. This is created by Budget with Tiffany 26, a $70. And yes, I am a nurse. I'm actually a nurse practitioner. I think this is going on almost 2 years as a nurse practitioner. I do laser hair removal, which is a fun job to have. My specialty is in family But I decided to do something different. I wanted to get out of the hospital aspect. Before that, I was working in as a dialysis nurse. So I just wanted something different and fun, because being a nurse can be mentally challenging. I'm telling you, it can put a toll on you. So I just wanted something different, something fun, get into the whole aesthetic field of nursing. And I tell you, I love it. Love it. Okay, next we are doing this saving challenge. This is for my husband's sinking funds. Let me see. This is created by Becca Budget 777. It says 45 plus. Let's do this one. And this is $4. And my husband and I had recently celebrated our, what is it? 6 years of marriage. I had to think about it. 6 years. Did I put the 5 in here? No. Our 6 years of marriage. And gosh, we've been knowing each other for, goodness, 16 years, I believe. So yeah, fun times. My biggest supporter he is. All right, next we got Home Sweet Home. This is created by Mystic Budgets. This is a roll and save and a scratch and save. The scratches are 8s and 5s. So should I do a couple rolls or scratches? We can do a scratch and a roll. Yes, let's do here. $8. And home is just for anything that we may need around the house. So I just wanted a nice sinking fund for that. Are we doing a D6? I think we are. I don't remember. I always switch it up. Wherever makes sense for that day. Ooh, 6. Okay. I need some new markers. These markers are getting on my nerves. So $6. 5 and 6. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. All right, in our emergency funds, this is created by Snow Garner 307, and we are on, what page are we on? Oh, we are on this back to school one. Let's see, what can we find today? Let's do at least $5 maybe. Let's see what I can find first. Oh, is sports on here? Yes, sports is $3. That was quick. Look at you, girl. Sports for 3. So 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got $5 left. Let's do a dollar one. Should we do $1? Oh, yep, because I found desk. I love me a good crossword. And who wants to cut their grass right now as I'm filming? Everyone would just sleep. Now everyone is awake. Oh dear, $4. I tell you, they can't let me be great. Hopefully you guys can hear that. Now if you guys can hear that and I'm just going off, I'll be sounding like a fool. So what I got left? $3. Is that 3? Oh no, $4, girl. You're a little rich. $4. $4. Let's roll and see how much I can put into this 100 envelope challenge. And this is saving for a rainy day. So I want to build up a rainy day fund for like for unexpected expenses or anything that may come up. I want to use this first and not my emergency fund, if that makes sense. Hopefully that makes sense. So I am going to roll a D4 to see how much we're going to put in here. And it says $1. Okay. Let's get a marker. $1. Perfect. And this is how I choose to do the 100 envelope challenge. You can do it however you would like, but this is how I would like it because my brain can function with trying to do the 100 envelope challenge the other way. So we got that. Well, we got $3 left. So we are going back to our adventures because I said this is kind of like our priority right now. Goodness, I couldn't get that out. So let me go back to the front. And do I have a 3? Do you have a 3? Yes, you do. Okay. Let's do this 3 right here. I just love seeing this fill up. So cute. So that is $3 going into our adventures. All right. That is, what was it, 60? Yeah, $60 put into my family binder. I hope you guys enjoy hearing a little bit about myself. I should do a whole Q&A kind of thing. I don't know. I'm just talking because, I don't know. We will see. But because I got so many new supporters, I want to say thank you so much, Gems. You guys are awesome. Oh my goodness. Thank you for the love and the support. But if you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, be sure, if you have not, subscribe to the channel. And if you subscribe already, share with a friend. Thank you so much, Gems. Oh my goodness. I almost choked on my own spit. I promise I'm not like this every video. All right, Jills. Remember to stay magical. Bye, Jills.